Hi guys, today I want to do an unboxing and quick review for LDNIO A3305 3 USB adapter. So I bought it for 26 Malaysian ringgit, which is approximately $6 or €5. It has 3 USB ports, which equivalent to 3.4 ampere. So each port might have 1.1 or 1.2 ampere. This is the model A3305. So the interesting part is it has LED touch lamp at this area. So you will also get different plug option: China, Europe, Australia and UK. And this is made in China. So for Malaysian market, you will get UK plug option and iOS lightning cable. So let's unbox it. This is the adapter. Look, we have another box here. Smart for better life. Here you have the lightning cable for iPhone and iPads. This is the standard 1 meter cable, and you also get the UK plug adapter. And this is the product specification and instruction. So you just click or touch it to on and off. And this is interesting part: when you long press, the LED light will dim or bright. So that's what they call memory function. We will test it in a moment. So this is it. Red current around 0.6 ampere, not fast, but should be enough when you charge your device for a night. So how to join this? You just need to do like this. Yeah, done. So now let's try plug in. Once you switch on the switch, the LED notification or LED indicator will light on. So you just touch and the LED will on, touch to off and touch to on. So let's try to touch and hold. As you can see, the LED light are now dimmer and brighter and dimmer. So what are the memory function are when the LED are dim and then you off, and when you on, when you touch to on, the LED are still in a dim mode. See, now this is a bright, and when you off in a bright, and it will on as a bright light. Okay, let's test the USB whether it is functional. I don't have other smartphone, but I have this Sonic Gear Pandora Mini portable speaker. So yes, it's charging, and whether the LED lamp are on or off, it can still charging. So this LED light are quite useful in a dark area. So let's test the second one. It's charging. The third one, yes, it's charging. So when you switch off, it took a second or two for the light to completely off. So thank you for watching.